In the recently concluded Under-17 finals of the 63rd Subroto Cup International Football Tournament held in Bangalore, T.G English School from Manipur emerged victorious in the junior boys category. They defeated Meghalaya's Myngken Christian Higher Secondary School in a dramatic tiebreaker with a score of 4-3 after both teams finished the match tied 1-1. The champions were awarded a cash prize of Rs 5 lakh, while the runners-up received Rs 5 lakh. On the 18th of September 2024, the Department of Sports and Youth Affairs, Government of Meghalaya, held a felicitation ceremony for the runners-up team from Myngken Christian Higher Secondary School, Bhoirumbong Ribhoi. The event, with Meghalaya's Minister of Sports and Youth Affairs, Shaklyar Warjri, as the chief guest, was attended by officials from the District Sports Department, coaches, team members, the principal of Myngken Christian Higher Secondary School, E. Pungrop, teachers and family.
Richborn Harmony. Sandor Linda, thank you. Precious Store Mansir. Andrew Seth Marvin, please come forward. Let's clap for these boys have played very well. Bananson Mountain.